Hey guys, so today I'm doing something that I've wanted to do for a really long time, and I'm doing an eyeliner tutorial on how I do my winged eyeliner. I don't know if winged eyeliner is even cool anymore, but I wear it literally every day. I don't know why, I don't feel like myself without it. Like even if I'm not going anywhere, like I still do it. I don't know, but yeah, and sometimes people ask me how I do my eyeliner and I'm always like, I don't know how to answer that, like I don't know. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. I'm gonna be using a liquid liner. I only use liquid liner. I'm using the Essence Super Precise Eyeliner, and I love it so much. It's really matte and really black, and it has a brush tip, and that's like everything I look for in an eyeliner. I used to use the NYX Liquid Matte Eyeliner, which I loved so much, but they recently discontinued it, and when I found that out, I was like so upset because I've been using that exclusively for like 5 years. Oh my god, I was so sad. Like I didn't cry. There may have been tears, I did not cry. But then I saw that the Essence one got really good reviews too, so I started using that one, and I think I like it a lot better than the NYX one. So yeah, I guess it was just meant to be. Another thing, in the tutorial I just did like a simple eyeshadow look so you can see what I'm doing with the eyeliner, but if you don't wear eyeshadow, you should at least wear a primer and then set it with like either like a translucent powder or a setting powder, because it'll make your eyeliner last way longer. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. So like I said, I'm using the Essence Super Precise Eyeliner, and I'm going to start by drawing a line starting at the corner of my eye, and I'm going to draw it at like a 45-degree angle. You don't want it to go too up or too low, or it's just going to look weird. Make sure you use like a really light hand for this, like you don't want to use too much pressure. So now doing the part that makes me the most nervous, I'm going to draw a line starting at not the very end, but like near the end, and I'm going to draw a line inwards towards my eyelid. And I'm just going to let that dry for a second. And now, starting at the inner corner of my eye, I'm going to draw another line and connect it to the wing that I made. So now I'm just going to fill it in and try and even it out a little bit. I feel like I messed up a little bit because it was kind of hard to do this and film it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just going to finish filling it in. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this is easy to follow along, and if you're having trouble getting the hang of it, like you just got to keep practicing. And yeah.